Hi, welcome. Here we are going to demonstrate how to install latest version of Apache Hive, that is 3.1.2 on multi-node Hadoop cluster. We are installing on a specific data node that having high hardware configuration. The tarball already we have downloaded from Apache Mirror and moved to that particular data node. Also, you can see the location of RDBMS scripts. As said in the previous video that we install MySQL database for this Apache Hive configuration. So we would be executing that Apache Hive schema 3.1.mysql.sql file in order to create the schema in the database. Hope you like this video and please stay tuned with us for other big data processing related videos, real-time case studies, POCs, etc. Thanks again.